In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel file in Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can bring your spreadsheet data into the right place without confusion. First, open Zoho CRM and head to the home page. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have permission to import data. A quick tip before you begin: have your Excel file ready with clear column headers like first name, last name, email, and so on. Keeping your headers tidy will make the import smoother and reduce the need for manual fixes later. Next, choose the module where you want the data to live. For most people bringing in a new list, that's often leads, but you might be importing into contacts, accounts, or another module depending on your process. Selecting the right module here is important because the fields you'll map later are based on that choice. If you're not sure which module is best, think about how your team plans to use the records after import. Leads for early prospects, contacts for qualified individuals, and accounts for companies. Once you're in the module, look for the drop-down menu in the toolbar. It's usually near the top right area of the list view, close to actions like creating a new record or managing views. Click that drop-down to reveal more options specific to the module. If you don't see it immediately, switch to the standard list view or widen your browser window so all actions are visible. From that drop-down, select Import Leads or the import option tied to the module you chose. This opens Zoho CRM's import wizard. From here, you'll be guided through uploading your Excel file and matching your spreadsheet columns to CRM fields. A few practical tips while you're in the wizard: make sure your file is in a supported format like XLS, XLSX, or CSV. Verify that mandatory fields in the module have matching columns in your sheet, and watch your date and number formats so they align with your CRM settings. If you're concerned about duplicates, look for the deduplication options and choose a unique identifier such as email. It's also wise to start with a small test file to confirm your mappings before importing a larger list. After you review the summary the wizard provides, proceed with the import and let Zoho CRM process the file. When it finishes, spot check a few records in the module to confirm everything landed where you expected. That's it. You navigated to home, selected the right module, opened the dropdown, and chose Import Leads to launch the wizard that does the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, and happy importing.